If you're looking for insurance after a drink driving ban, then you may get a shock at the prices you'll be asked to pay. In this video, we'll cover ways to lower the costs and provide information on how much you can expect to pay. Firstly, it's important to note that car insurance after a drink driving ban in the UK will generally increase by over 2 times what you paid originally. This minimum of 100% increase generally lasts for the time that the drink driving conviction is on your licence. So, if you end up paying, say, an additional £1,000 a year for 5 years, then eventually you'll have paid £5,000 extra in car insurance due to your ban. To avoid being ripped off, it's important to use comparison sites that compare specialist insurers in the UK. Choosing a comparison site that compares these insurers is your best bet. Furthermore, there are several ways you can get cheaper insurance after a driving ban. The way to do this is to seek out cars that have a low insurance rating. These are cars that will, of course, be cheaper for everyone, but they will more likely than not bring your inflated prices down a little bit too. There are several factors that determine the insurance rating, such as the make and model of the car, the cost of the parts, where the car is stored, and on your part, how recent your last conviction was, your age, the length of time you've been driving, predicted yearly mileage, and the number of past claims you've made. Insurance Group 7 consists of some of the cheapest vehicles to repair. This is due to their cheaper parts, which will, as mentioned, cost the insurers less to obtain if you make a claim. Therefore, seeking out cars with Insurance Group 7 is a great option for reducing your insurance costs. Some examples of cheap cars to insure after a ban include the Hyundai i10, Renault Clio, Citroën C1, Kia Rio, Ford Fiesta, Skoda Yeti, and the Mazda CX-5. Finding affordable cover after a conviction or points is getting harder. It can feel like most providers are just taking advantage of you. Thankfully, you can still find competitive rates by looking at companies sympathetic to your situation. We've partnered with QuoteZone to find the best specialist deals for convicted drivers. Click the link in the description to access our simple form and get a quote from the right providers in just a few minutes. And if you do that, you'll also be supporting MoneyNerd, so thank you.